What if I told you that some of the most powerful AI tools out there, tools that could save you hours of work, spark wild creativity, or turn you into a productivity machine, are completely free? Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech wizards or billion-dollar companies anymore. In 2025, the playing field is wide open, and some of the best tools are hiding in plain sight, waiting to make your life 10 times easier, and maybe a little cooler. Whether you want to automate your workflow, create stunning content, or just have fun with futuristic features, these 9 free AI tools are game changers. And yes, they're actually free. Number 9, Google AI Studio, your screen-sharing genius sidekick. Imagine if Clippy from Microsoft Office came back, but this time with a PhD from MIT and zero sarcasm. That's Google AI Studio for you in 2025. It's like having a genius tech friend who never sleeps, never judges, and always knows what button to click. You share your screen, and it literally sees what you're struggling with. Whether you're splitting spreadsheet columns, fighting with Photoshop, or just trying to find the format menu again, it walks you through the steps like a patient teacher who doesn't charge hourly. From conditional formatting to formula finding, Google AI Studio is turning technical tasks into a cakewalk, one shared screen at a time. So next time you're knee-deep in formulas or CSS chaos, skip the 47 YouTube tutorials and let this AI tool spoon-feed you solutions in real time. It's basically the tech-savvy friend you wish you had in college. Number 8, Bolt AI. Build web apps while you sip coffee. Meet Bolt AI, the tool that makes developers sweat, because it's doing their job in half the time. Think of it like Iron Man's suit for coders and non-coders alike. Got an idea for a web app but don't know how to code? Bolt AI doesn't care. Just describe your vision, a background remover, a meme generator, a pizza tracker for pets, and boom, it builds it for you. Real code, real fast, no HTML headaches. Within minutes, you've got a live app ready to launch while your dev friend is still opening Visual Studio. Even better, you can tweak and test everything with plain English prompts. It's the perfect mix of tech magic and no-code accessibility. Whether you're a startup founder, a freelancer, or just someone who really wants a custom cat meme site, Bolt AI turns your wildest app ideas into reality. No caffeine overdose required. Number 7, GravityWrite, your AI creative agency on steroids. If Canva, ChatGPT, and WordPress had a hyper-productive AI baby, it would be GravityWrite. This all-in-one content powerhouse doesn't just write blogs, it creates entire brands in minutes. Need a slick YouTube thumbnail? Done. A professional blog post with SEO baked in? Check. An entire website with copy, images, and layout? Please, it yawns at that level of effort. You simply give it a prompt and it goes full beast mode, generating clean, professional content that actually looks like a human wrote it. A really smart, caffeinated one. And unlike other tools, it doesn't butcher the text on your images. It even lets you schedule social media posts with unique images and copy, all in one click. This is like hiring a design team, a content writer, and a web developer. But they all live in one clean interface and don't complain about deadlines. Basically, if GravityWrite had a resume, it would make agencies obsolete. Number 6, Kling AI, make AI videos without face-melting glitches. Ever seen an AI-generated video where the person's face morphs like they're turning into a potato mid-sentence? Yeah, not great. That's where Kling AI comes in, like the facial consistency superhero. With Kling, you can train your own AI avatar by uploading videos of yourself, and voila. The AI can now generate stunningly realistic videos of you, or someone else, doing whatever you script, without melting faces or teleporting eyeballs. The character stays exactly the same in every frame. No more uncanny valley weirdness. Whether you're making educational content, promo videos, or just want a digital twin who looks presentable on Zoom calls, Kling AI nails it. Yes, training the model needs a paid plan, but the results are a chef's kiss. If you're serious about quality AI video content, Kling's consistency is worth the investment. Think of it as cloning yourself, but without the ethical dilemmas and bad sci-fi plots. Number 5, Pinocchio AI, Run powerful AI apps offline like a boss. Sick of juggling 27 browser tabs and paying subscriptions just to run a simple AI app? Meet Pinocchio, the AI app launcher that turns your PC into a full-blown AI workstation. No cloud drama, no complex setup, and best of all, your data stays with you. With one clean install, Pinocchio gives you instant access to powerful AI tools like video background removers, text-to-speech generators, upscales, and more, all running locally. It's like the App Store, but for open-source AI tools, and it doesn't spy on you. Just search, install, and run. No rocket science required. Whether you're removing video backgrounds, generating AI art, or building audio clones, Pinocchio makes it stupidly simple. Just make sure your machine isn't powered by a hamster wheel. It needs decent processing muscle. But once you're set up, it's like having an AI supercomputer that answers only to you. Number 4, Hailuo AI, free AI, videos with consistent characters, yes, free. So, Kling AI blew your mind, but you're still emotionally attached to your wallet? Don't worry, Hailuo AI is here with almost the same magic, but completely free. You upload an image, write a short prompt, and Hailuo spits out an AI-generated video where the character, finally, doesn't look like they're being possessed mid-shot. The quality isn't Hollywood level, but for something free and shockingly usable, it's a solid option. You even get daily credits, 100 per day. So it's like a freemium version of Creativity Juice. Great for testing ideas, prototyping content, or making quick social videos where consistency matters but budget doesn't. Just upload your reference image, type your scene, a cat giving a TED Talk, and boom, video magic. If you're a content creator on a budget, Hailuo is your new best friend that won't ask for your credit card number at midnight. Number 3, NotebookLM, Google's Gemini-powered research buddy. Ever wish your research papers could talk back? Enter NotebookLM by Google, a game-changing tool that turns your files into a podcast-style conversation. Upload PDFs, YouTube links, or plain old text, and NotebookLM dives in like your nerdiest friend with perfect recall. Need a summary? You got it. Want insights or audio breakdowns? Easy. It's powered by Google's Gemini AI, which means the answers are not only smart, they sound human. Unlike tools that scrape the entire web and confuse you with random nonsense, NotebookLM only pulls from your uploaded content. Translation, laser-focused accuracy, no info overload. If you're a student, journalist, researcher, or just someone who reads too many PDFs, NotebookLM will change the way you study, prep, and think. Number 2, Secret Llama. ChatGPT, but make it private. If your AI conversations feel a little too personal for the cloud, Secret Llama is your new digital therapist sidekick. This ChatGPT-style AI runs entirely offline after the initial install, so your data never leaves your computer. No tracking, no data leaks, no, oops, we stored that on a server in Greenland. Just pure, private conversations, perfect for sensitive research, confidential projects, or just venting without being judged by the internet. Secret Llama is ideal for people who want the power of AI without handing over their thoughts to Big Brother. It's basically AI for introverts with trust issues. Number 1, Coloring Page Creator, AI for parents, teachers, and artsy souls. Here's one for the fun side of AI. Coloring Page Creator. Type in a prompt like pirate cat on a spaceship, and boom, you've got a printable coloring page that looks like it came out of a storybook. Whether you're a teacher looking for classroom activities, a parent trying to survive a road trip, or someone who just finds coloring therapeutic, no judgment, this tool delivers. You can regenerate until you find the perfect design, print it out, and go to town with crayons. Bonus, it never runs out of ideas or says, I'm bored. Pretty wild, right? These tools aren't just novelties, they're like cheat codes for your digital life. Whether you're creating, researching, planning, or just playing around, AI is officially in its main character era. Tried any of these already? Got a hidden gem we missed? Drop your favorites in the comments or share this list with someone who needs an upgrade to their daily grind.